If you're somebody that wants to lose weight this year 2025, then this chinchin recipe is for you. It's so easy to make and anyone can make it, and it's so yummy. Add in 2.5 cups of oat flour into a bowl. Make it well at the middle, then add in all your other ingredients. We are preparing our dry ingredients now. I am using cinnamon just for flavor. You can decide to use nutmeg. Add in your baking powder. Add in your salt to taste. Mix your dry ingredients together, then of course set aside. We are going to be mixing our wet ingredients now. For our wet ingredients, we are using evaporated milk, 1 egg, then I'm going to add in honey, for sweetness, just a little bit of honey. Go now to add in any healthy vegetable of choice. I use flaxseed oil. You can use olive oil. You can use any healthy oil of your choice. Add a little bit of cinnamon extract or cinnamon flavor. Make do with any flavor combination of your choice. Go on now to add in your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. Mix it all together. Then you set aside. I did not need to add any more water to this recipe because the liquid I used for this recipe was perfect and was enough to get my dough together. I want to give a shout out to Bridget watching all the way from Lebanon. Thank you so much for stopping by Debbie's Kitchen. I'm so glad you love Debbie's Kitchen recipe. If you want me to give you a shout out in my next video, please comment in the comment section. Tell me where you're watching from. And of course, I will give you a shout out in my next video. Now, if you have watched to this point, I want you to type in the comment section, type healthy chinchin recipe. And if you are contemplating subscribing to Debbie's Kitchen, come on now, do subscribe to Debbie's Kitchen, to like and share. This chinchin recipe is so easy and anyone can make it. After rolling your chinchin dough till flat, trim the edges just to give your chinchin recipe a more finished look. Go on now to cut out your chinchin recipe to any size or shape of choice. You can decide to bake this chinchin recipe or fry this chinchin recipe, but since it's a healthy chinchin recipe, we are not going to fry this chinchin recipe. We're going to be baking this chinchin recipe, and it doesn't take time to bake. It only takes 15 to 20 minutes to bake. It is so easy. So now you can see I'm done cutting out my chinchin. I'm just going to make sure that I separate my chinchin to make sure that they are not stuck to each other. They hardly do get stuck together. It is just separate easily. We are baking at 180 degrees Celsius or 335 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. This chinchin recipe do not take time to bake. Look at how gorgeous they are looking. I'm going to be trying out this recipe. To like, share, and follow Debbie's Kitchen for more. Check out this video on the end screen. You will love this fish roll recipe. Bye.